I can't shout, mi ò dẹ̀ lè pariwo.
You know when you have someone close to you that are celebrating their kids' birthday party, and they also know you have a baby as well, and they go about gifting you party packs that are being shared at the birthday scene, right? Not like they didn't invite you, but they know you won't be able to meet up with the time schedule for the birthday, because most of the birthdays were celebrated at either schools or church, right? So these are the party packs, or is it party favors you guys call it in your own language? So I have three of them, and this was the one that came first, followed by this, and this was the last one that came. And I'm like, let me just unbox with you guys. Let me give you guys party packs or party favors idea for 2023, should in case you guys want to celebrate your babies, or you have someone close to you that are planning to celebrate their baby's birthday. So I'm going to be unboxing all of this with you guys. Let's see what we have in there, and I'm sure this is the video that will interest you. Keep watching. I'll be right back.
Let me introduce you.
So you guys, without further much ado, let's start the unboxing. I said earlier that this came first, so let's open this together. And it is tagged Suru. If you are new here and you are wondering who Suru is, Suru is my baby boy's name. First thing first, I have this cute water bottle. Can you guys see? As in, I love the fact that the color is blue for men, of course. For boys, actually, because my baby is a boy. And another thing that is here is this Weaver's biscuit that I love. And another thing that is here is this set of pencil, ruler, sharpener, and I have this cheap exotic drink that my baby would, of course, like. And the rest of things are this chocolate, which of course I'll be the one eating, and my baby as well. Then another thing is this chocolate sweets. Hopefully it's not the chewing gum type, I'm sure. So these are all that are inside this party pack. This was the first, and it was given to my baby by the mom of the boy. The boy celebrated his 5th year, and this was the party pack they shared. So the second party pack we'll be unboxing is this huge one. See, there's one thing about first time mom, and they are serene, they overdo. Yeah, I'm saying this party pack, and I'm remembering my friend. She celebrated her baby's 1 year birthday, and if I tell you guys that she outdid herself, like she went all out. Ah, I wish I have the video of, I don't know, I'm not sure I have the video of all the gifts that she was packing. Like it was almost a full room of gifts that she started packing all by herself. See, first time mom celebrating a year-old birthday, then they overdo. So let's start first and foremost is this Ure Ayo popcorn, which I'll be the one to eat. And oh, I forgot to show you guys. It came in this nylon Ben 10, I think. This character should be Ben 10 if I'm not mistaken. So yeah, aside from the popcorn, we have this sweet meat chin chin, which I'll be the one to eat as well, or better still, I gift it out to someone else. Another thing is this Noreos. Oh my goodness, Noreos. Ó ti pẹ́ gan-an. Ó ti pẹ́ gan-an. Another thing is this Chivita Smart drink. You guys, I don't know why it's not focusing. Okay, it's focused now. Chivita Smart malt drink, which my baby will like, of course. Good source of vitamin. It's actually good for kids. I like that they drew this character here. Another thing here is there is, I don't know the correlation of sweet chocolate in party pack of party favors. So we have this real pop sweet. We have another melody candy here as well. Slimly chocolate with blah 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 biscuits, right? What's this? Okay, I remember this thing, baby's fake. I don't even know what it's called. So this is here. Another thing is here. Vanilla flavored milk. All this is Jekujesha. And what's this one? Oh my goodness, I love this shape. I don't know. See babies with all this Jekuja. I don't even know what this is. Pop it. Okay, sort of like milk chocolate, right? So this is it. Is here as well. I think we have something else remaining. Okay, we have this chocolate air class, right? Is air class. I don't even know what shade of air class is this. This is the first time I'm seeing this air class. But yeah, this is air class all in this Benten lineup. We are not done, we are just getting started. See, we still have a whole lot to unbox. And another thing that is here is this cute water bottle. It's so cute actually. I love the color. It's so cute. See, my baby has a whole lot. And we have this cup, so pretty. And we have this benten stuff here. Why is this thing not focusing? This benten, and it has, what's this again? It has sharpener, I think, and cleaner in it. Benten sharpener and cleaner. And there's this set that I love. I love this set. You guys, can you guys see? Almost, I don't even know where to cover to show you guys. See, Mhm. The character is Spider-Man actually. If you see the logo, can you guys see the logo? Can you guys see Spider-Man here? It has two pencils, it has one purse, it has wristwatch, there is eraser in it, there is sharpener. I think this should be eraser as well. This shape should be eraser as well. This water game that I admire so very much. Like this, my friend knew what was meant to be. She actually had outdid herself in packing all of this. Ah, it's been long I play water game or Romo. It's a big okay. Wow, my baby would definitely love this water game. So that's all in this party packs. That's everything that is here. And let's unbox the last one. You guys, the last one is almost like saving the best for the last, right? I'm trying to pack all of this up because I don't want everywhere to be messy. So yeah, this is the last one. Unfortunately, this doesn't come in this fancy bag. It came in this black nylon, which is okay. I'm not even bothered. All I know is there's party pack, party favors, right? So first thing I'll be unboxing is this cute cereal plates, right? I love the color, absolutely beautiful. So yeah, this is the first thing I'm going to show you guys, my favorite of this last party pack, right? So another thing that is here is this cup. I love the fact that this cup comes with a cover, right? The absolute thing I love about this particular, which is this. I love this plate so very much. The fact that it has a fork and a spoon. Oh my, you guys, it's a mini gogo. I love this thing so much, and it has a tag beer. Can you guys see? It's absolutely beautiful. I love it. And there's this thing I love as well in this party pack is this water game as well. We have one water game earlier, right? This is another water game that my baby will absolutely like. I love the fact that this come like a small phone. See, my Nokia phone is in a mess in the hand of my baby. So yeah, I love the fact that this is handy, and it can just play with it, play around it and all of that. I love it. And another thing that came in this party pack is this sweet apple. Can you guys see? Apple lollipop. Then there's this malt biscuit, which my baby will absolutely like. And another thing we have is this set of pencil, eraser, cleaner, and ruler. Of course, I showed you guys something like this in this first party pack, right? We have this malt biscuit as well. There's this lollipop sweet as well, and this Ben 10, this thing that my baby will absolutely like. You see this Ben 10, do you know all this arrangement of stuff we did back in the days? This is absolutely beautiful. I love it, and I'm sure my baby will like it as well. And we have drinks, we have this happy hour. Thank God it's not Shivita, it's Shivita. So we have this happy hour by Shivita as well. It comes in two in this party pack. And what else do we have here? Okay, we have this lollipop. We have two of it, two of the lollipop, just that it's two different color. And lastly, we have this yellow biscuit, which looks yummy already. So you guys, those are everything we have in this party pack. Hopefully you guys are inspired or updated about the latest trend in 2023. Whenever you are thinking of you know packing party packs for your baby, I feel like this video will be helpful to so many moms out there looking for what to have in party packs. Thank you guys for watching. Because I do not want this video to be too long, I just want to show you guys all of the party pack we've got. Funny enough, these gifts came like I think a week apart or thereabout, and I'm like, why not? Let me show my fam on YouTube all we've got, and yeah, voila, we are here. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't at this stage. I love you, and God bless you. Bye.